National Electrical Code Article 400.8 covers uses permitted. Extension cords shall not be used as a substitute for the fixed wiring of a structure. Article 400.10 covers uses not permitted. Extension cords shall not be used in commercial or industrial establishments for appliances over 12 amps to supply luminaires or light fixtures, or for the direct connection of motors. The National Electrical Code commentary on Article 400.8 states that the intent of this requirement is to prevent extension cords from being used as a substitute for permanent wiring. Extension cords are designed for temporary use and are not intended to carry the same amount of current or handle the same amount of abuse as permanent wiring. Additional code references include Article 110.12, which covers the mechanical execution of work, stating that electrical equipment shall be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner, and Article 334.15b, which addresses power-operated garage doors. This section states that the power-operated garage door opener shall be connected by permanent wiring methods to the branch circuit wiring or busway. Based on the National Electrical Code requirements and commentary, it is clear that extension cords should not be used in a permanent location such as for connecting a garage door opener to a receptacle. The use of an extension cord in this manner creates a safety hazard and violates the National Electrical Code. Extension cords are designed for temporary use and are not intended as a substitute for permanent wiring. They lack the durability and current carrying capacity required for continuous operation of appliances like garage door openers. The weight of the cord itself, especially when draped across ceilings or walls, constrain the connection points, leading to loose connections and potential arcing. The plastic insulation of extension cords is not as robust as the sheathing used in permanent wiring, making them more susceptible to damage from abrasion, temperature changes, and physical stress. This damage can expose the conductors, creating a shock hazard. Furthermore, extension cords are often placed in areas where they can be easily tripped over or pinched between objects, increasing the risk of damage and potential fire hazards. The National Electrical Code mandates permanent wiring for garage door openers to ensure a safe and reliable electrical connection. Permanent wiring methods, such as using non-metallic sheath cable, often referred to as NM cable or Romex or conduit, provide a secure and protected pathway for electrical conductors. These wiring methods are designed to withstand the rigors of a garage environment, including temperature fluctuations, humidity, and physical impacts. Article 110.12 of the National Electrical Code, Mechanical Execution of Work, emphasizes the importance of installing electrical equipment in a neat and workmanlike manner. This means that all wiring should be properly supported, secured, and protected from damage. Loose or haphazard wiring can create hazards and increase the risk of electrical failures. Article 334.15b specifically addresses the wiring requirements for power-operated garage doors, reinforcing the need for permanent wiring methods. This requirement ensures that the garage door opener is connected to the electrical system in a safe and reliable manner. When a garage door opener is installed, a dedicated circuit should be run from the electrical panel to a junction box located near the opener. From the junction box, permanent wiring can be extended to the opener's power connection. This permanent wiring should be properly sized to handle the opener's current draw and protected by an appropriate overcurrent device, such as a circuit breaker or fuse. Using an extension cord as a permanent wiring solution bypasses these safety measures and creates a potential fire and shock hazard. The garage environment often presents unique challenges, such as exposure to moisture, temperature extremes, and physical impacts. Extension cords are not designed to withstand these conditions, making them more prone to damage and failure. In addition, extension cords may not be properly grounded, which can increase the risk of electrical shock. To ensure the safety of the electrical system and the occupants of the building, it is essential to follow the National Electrical Code requirements for permanent wiring of garage door openers. This includes using appropriate wiring methods, providing proper overcurrent protection, and ensuring that all connections are secure and properly grounded. When a home inspector identifies an extension cord being used as a permanent wiring solution for a garage door opener, it should be called out as a safety concern and a code violation. The homeowner should be advised to have a qualified electrician install permanent wiring in accordance with the National Electrical Code requirements. This will ensure a safe and reliable electrical connection for the garage door opener and protect the occupants of the building from potential electrical hazards. In summary, the National Electrical Code prohibits the use of extension cords as a substitute for permanent wiring. Garage door openers must be connected to the electrical system using permanent wiring methods such as non-metallic sheath cable or conduit. This ensures a safe and reliable electrical connection and protects against potential fire and shock hazards. Home inspectors should be vigilant in identifying and reporting extension cords used in this manner, and homeowners should be advised to have a qualified electrician install permanent wiring in accordance with the National Electrical Code requirements. Consider a scenario where a homeowner uses a lightweight extension cord to power their garage door opener. Over time, the cord becomes frayed and cracked due to exposure to temperature changes and physical stress. One day, the frayed cord comes into contact with a metal object, creating a short circuit. The circuit breaker does not trip immediately, and the extension cord begins to overheat. The heat ignites nearby combustible materials such as cardboard boxes or wood shavings, and a fire starts in the garage. The fire quickly spreads to the rest of the house, causing significant damage and endangering the lives of the occupants. This scenario illustrates the potential consequences of using an extension cord as a permanent wiring solution. While it may seem like a convenient and cost-effective solution in the short term, it creates a significant safety hazard that can have devastating consequences. The National Electrical Code is designed to prevent these types of scenarios by requiring permanent wiring for appliances like garage door openers. By following the code requirements and using appropriate wiring methods, homeowners can protect themselves and their families from potential electrical hazards. In addition to the safety concerns, using an extension cord as a permanent wiring solution can also lead to operational problems with the garage door opener. Extension cords are often undersized for the current draw of the opener, which can cause the motor to overheat and fail prematurely. The voltage drop in the extension cord can also reduce the opener's performance, causing it to operate slowly or erratically. By using permanent wiring, homeowners can ensure that the garage door opener operates reliably and efficiently for many years to come. When a home inspector identifies an extension cord being used as a permanent wiring solution, it is important to explain the safety concerns and code violations to the homeowner in a clear and concise manner. The inspector should also provide recommendations for correcting the problem, such as hiring a qualified electrician to install permanent wiring. It is also important to document the finding in the inspection report, including the specific location of the extension cord and the potential hazards it creates. This documentation can help protect the inspector from liability in the event of an electrical incident. In conclusion, the use of extension cords as a permanent wiring solution for garage door openers is a safety hazard and a violation of the National Electrical Code. Home inspectors should be vigilant in identifying and reporting these types of installations, and homeowners should be advised to have a qualified electrician install permanent wiring in accordance with the code requirements. By following these guidelines, we can help ensure the safety of our homes and families and prevent potential electrical hazards. Remember that electrical codes are in place to protect individuals and properties from electrical hazards. Ignoring these codes can lead to serious consequences, including fires, injuries, and even death. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all electrical work is performed safely and in accordance with the applicable codes. Also, remember that local codes may vary from the National Electrical Code. It is important to check with your local building department to determine the specific requirements in your area. This information is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician or other professional before performing any electrical work.